In today's video, I'm going to teach you turn Shopify gift cards into a sales machine. We'll set up a polished gift card product your shoppers can buy, and then attach a gift card to a customer so it's delivered and tracked correctly. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, go to Products, then choose Gift Cards. This area is where you create the product your customers see, and where you manage issued gift card codes behind the scenes. Click Add Gift Card Product. In the product details, type a clear, benefit-focused title and a short description that explains how your gift cards work, such as where they can be used and any basics customers should know. Keep it simple and reassuring. If you offer multiple values, add those options so shoppers can choose at checkout. The goal is to make this product feel as trustworthy and on-brand as any other item in your store. Next, upload a new image for the gift card product. Choose artwork that matches your brand colors and feels giftable, like a festive card or your logo with a clean background. Strong visuals boost conversion. When your details and image look good, click Save Gift Card Product. Now let's make sure the gift card can reach a real customer. Head back to the gift cards section. If you see an entry showing no customer, open it. This is an issued card that isn't assigned yet. If you navigate it away, return to your admin home, then go back to Products and into Gift Cards, until you're looking at the list again. Use the active filter so you're focused on cards that can be redeemed, then select the highlighted gift card. To deliver and track it, attach the card to a customer. Click Create a new customer. Click into the name field and the email field, then type the customer's details carefully. The email address is critical. That's where the gift card will be sent and where balance updates can be delivered. If the customer already exists in your shop, you can search and select them instead of creating a new one. When everything looks correct, click Save. That's the core workflow. Create a compelling gift card product, upload a branded image, save it, then assign issued cards to customers so they're sent and monitored properly. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Consider adding a concise FAQ to the product description to reduce pre-purchase questions. Preview the product in your theme to ensure it looks great on mobile. And, if possible, place a small test order to confirm the purchase, email, and redemption flow feels smooth. With these pieces in place, your Shopify gift cards become a reliable engine for sales, referrals, and repeat purchases all year round.